Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are using Retiring World's Best Trophy, and we are going to be making this cute little Father's Day card. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to start with our big shot. And I have a piece of Very Vanilla and a circle from the Layering Circles framelits. I'm going to run that through. All right. So we are going to start with our stamping. I have crumb cake. And the images that we're using are these little leaves and the world's greatest and then Dad. So I'm going to ink up the leaves in crumb cake, and I have that mounted on clear block B. So just like that. Now I'm going to come in with the chocolate chip, and chocolate chip is retiring, guys. So I'm going to take the world's greatest and then Dad. And this is mounted on block A, and world's greatest was mounted on block B. All right, and I have a piece of crumb cake, and I'm using my Starburst punch. And I'm just going to start putting this card together. My base is Very Vanilla thick, and it measures 8.5 by 5.5, and it's scored at 4 1/4. And then I have a piece of crumb cake, and this measures 4 by 5 1/4. And we'll just center that. And then I have a piece of True Gentleman, and this measures 5 by 3 3/4. All right, and I'm just going to come in with my Stampin' Dimensionals and put a couple of these on the back. All right, so just like that. And we are using the Retiring World's Best Trophy. If you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. And thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye.